Okay, this came in for a service today, and a full look around, front brakes, everything. He's only just bought it, probably about a week ago. No engine management light on. It drives really well, absolutely beautiful to be honest. No central locking, but someone's changed the body control module and not programmed it in properly. And the engine management light was on this morning. Plugged into it, I've got P2002. And this is the 2020, so the efficiency's wrong. It doesn't get hot, and I either believe the DPF's cracked or the DPF isn't there. Temperature sensors are reading wrong. In fact, the temperature sensors are reading all the same all the way along, so that tells me I don't think it's there. So I've just rung the customer up and said, time to get gone, because it's a waste of time me servicing this. But it's in beautiful condition, apart from the mechanical side. You know, I can see a fortune being spent on this. So, if you get one and you want it looked at, give us a shout, and I'll see if I can find some time, or get it serviced afterwards, get it checked out when you bought it. Otherwise, I can see this moving into probably 2,500 if they've probably played with the ECU as well. So hopefully this helps anyone out there. But these Transits, sorry, but they're just hell on work. But this one's in beautiful condition. It looks damn nigh new, but it's quite funny what a jet wash and a good detailer can do. Border part in there. You want to see the muck behind there, Jesus. And it's only got 100,000 on, so this has done some serious work. Anyway, catch you later. And I'll say, this one's going back home. Catch you later, bye.